Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions integrated campus Hyderabad. Estimation quantity surveying. I'm Dr. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Unit 4 rate analysis. I explained about how to calculate rates of different items and different specifications. In this video, I'm going to explain how to calculate for the following work: cement mortar work, how to calculate the material. Now, your question is calculate the, if you go through this problem, what is the question given? Calculate the quantity of materials. See, before to get rates, we have to calculate material quantities. Now, how to calculate material quantity? For cement mortars, generally you will use in plastering or brickwork or for this 4 inches walls like that. We'll use cement mortar 1:4 or 1:6. So for 1 cubic meter work, what are the materials required? That is question. Cement, sand, and how to calculate. Now, if you mix cement and sand, there will be bags, right? If you fill the mixed water and the volume is instead of 1, you have to take 5. So 5 times 4. Okay. So the total volume must be 4 instead of 1 plus 4. Okay. Here that will be reduced. So here you have to take 4. Say for example, the quantity of cement for 1 cubic meter 1/4 you will get into 1, that is 0.25 meter cube. Here you calculate this quantity. So here you will get the quantity, how much you will get, 0.25 here. If you get 0.25, so how many bags that is for 1 cubic meter cement? That is 1 cubic cement 1,550 multiplied by 1 your 1,505 kgs approximately, that requires so much kgs, divided by again how many kgs per bag? 50 kgs. How much you will get? So 7 point. So approximately here he has taken 7.2, right? See here, if you go through it here, see here for cement quantity required is here, what is that? 7.2 bags. And similarly, for a quantity of sand required is 4/4 1 cubic meter. Sand required to get 1:4 for 1 cubic meter of work. And quantity of cement required is 1/6 into 1, that is 0.16. If you multiply it by 1500 cases divided by 50, approximately you will get 4.8 bags. So quantity of sand required here 6, that is 6 into 1/6 is equal to, you will get this 1 cubic meter. This is quantity of sand required, right? So in this way you have to calculate different materials according to our requirement by using these formulas. Okay. Now we'll see preparation of unit of rates finished items of works. See here, cement concrete and foundation. Cement concrete foundation is one question. Definitely you will get 10 marks question in our external examination, 15 marks question. How to calculate? Here you have a table showing that serial number, description of item, quantity, and here if you see unit, okay, unit, rate, and what is the per rate per unit and amount. So these you have 6 columns and 7, including serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. And in serial number, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the description of item? And description of item in the question is preparation of unit treats for finished item is that cement concrete foundation 1:5:10, that is 40 metal first will use. So how much quantity required for 1 cubic meter? This is we have to calculate. So how you will get? So this, as explained in previous videos, we calculated for 1 cubic meter the 40 metal required is 0.92 cubic meter. What is unit here? Cubic meter. Okay, cubic meter. So here you have to write like this quantity. This is cubic meter. Some books you may find the quantity. Here itself you will have cubic meter. But it's better to write like this. And rate of the cost from local rates or SSR for 1 cubic meter of metal is 547.75 rupees. Here always in points. For 40 metal, what is the cost? So 547.5. This is per cubic meter rate. In the market, if you want purchase 1 cubic meter of 40 metal, the rate is for 1 cubic meter 547.75. So, but my quantity is 0.92. If you multiply it by this 0.92 with this rate, you will get rate for this metal. So in this way, we have to calculate for each item. So here you should be very careful that whenever you are taking these values, units are very important, and rates, this we have to take local rates or SSR rates. Oh no, sand is required is 0.46 as requirement because 1:5:10. So this almost 50%, and this is 0.46 cubic meter sand is required. In the market or SSR rates given, this may be previous SSR rates. So for 1 cubic meter of sand, what is the cost? That is 284.8 rupees per cubic meter of sand. So what is now you have 0.46. If you have your 0.46, where is okay, calculator is gone. Now if you get calculator, you calculate how much you see 0.46 into 28 here. If you see here, you calculate here, see 0.46, 0.46 multiplied by how much? What is the rate? 284.8 rupees. So this is equal to, you will get calculating how much amount, 131 rupees. See, in this way you have to calculate and for next item similarly we calculated now metal cement. Next, how many masons required? Say off to 1, generally 0.06. Just like if you go to mechanical workshop for cars, you will have this type of labor. So here required for 1 cubic meter 0.06 number is required, and you have to calculate like this. And for 1 cubic meter, for 1% rate here now 150 rupees. This is old amount. Now nearly for first mason, now at the local rate is 1000 rupees. You have to change this one. Okay, here you have to change this one, and because this is old rate, now you can change this as now 800 or 600. As per SSR is given 550 rupees, but you take 1000 rupees. So this is the procedure concept is important for evaluator. So how much rate and numbers. So for 0.06 multiplied by 150, you will get this 9 rupees amount here. For second class, this is 0.14 required. So this is for 131 rupees is given. This is all SSR given. Nowadays, for second class, 800 rupees. So 0.14 into 131, you will get 18 rupees. And man mazdoor, that is labor, 1.8 given 101. See here, if you see from top year to year, these rates are reducing. So skilled labor will have more rates. Say here now present rates, you can inquire in your local area. Suppose if you take this is 1000 rupees, second class is 800, and Mazdoor is 600, and like that you will have 500. Like that rates will be reduced according to skilled, unskilled, and ordinary labor. So these values multiplied by respective quantities, you will get amount. Here, how many mazdoor required is 1.8. 1.8 into 1.0, you will get 181.80. Similarly, women mazdoor amount also same 1.4, because they were used for small work, and there are number required 1.4. Suppose 10 cubic meter work, 40 number of women labor required, like that. So this is calculated for 1 cubic meter, so 140, 1.4. And additional miscellaneous, you have to add 52.8. You will get total amount of that 1395.75, and you add total TOT other miscellaneous sundries 4%, other more forcings rupees 55. So sundries point total per cubic meter of concrete foundation is 1452 according to these rates. So if these rates are increased, this value increases. But procedure you have to see. In examination, they will see only procedure. Okay. I will end this session and I will explain one more topic next video. Thank you. Thank you all.